Question C. 2 divided by 3/4. Then multiply that by 8 over 9. So first thing you got to do is the division. So 2, you convert this to a multiplication. 3/4 becomes 4 over 3 times 8 over 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 over 3 times 8 over 9. That is 64. 8 times 8 is 64 over 27.